Hello, welcome to a mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're going to be looking at inline sliding patio door handles and how to change the handing on the levers. So you can see that this is the same type of door handle that's fitted to this patio door in our showroom, and you can see the lever is this way round so that as it slides it is neatly out of the way. If your handle needs to be the opposite way round, I will show you how to change the lever round. So this is the external side of the door handles because there's no fixing holes on this side. This one is the internal side of the door handle. As you can see, the fixing holes that hold the handle in place are on this one. Simply, all you need to do to reverse the lever round is turn the handles over, and you can see there are two grub fixing screws. Sometimes these will be a star-headed screw, sometimes there will be an hexagonal bolt. In this case it's a formal Allen key. All you need to do is put the Allen key in, undo the grub screw, few turns till it comes loose, and take it out like so, and you can see the lever becomes loose. Take the other one out, spin the lever round, attach the fixing bolt once more in, and the handing has been reversed. I'll show you how that looks once I've taken this other screw out. So simply finish taking this last screw out like so. You can see now the two parts are separate, and all you need to do with the lever is spin it round 180 degrees, and now I'm going to attach it back on using the fixing bolts like so. So one last turn to firmly fix the lever, and now you can see the handing of this lever is the opposite to this one, so it's been reversed. I hope that's been useful, and thank you for watching UPVC Spares for Repairs.